No, just leave him there.
Right. Doesn't be crying.
Come on.
Tell me something. Shut up.
Come on, we see you.
Shut up. Shut up. He's clinging to the thing. He doesn't want to jump.
You can get under that fence. Michael, don't go near him.
Here.
No, we'll leave him there. Let him down himself. It'll teach him to go up.
What's wrong with you? You pussy.
Meow.
You pussy, are you? Huh?
Leave him alone.
Come on, you.
Leave him. Get away from him. Come on.
Table. I'm trying to get him over here. He's jumping the table. What's wrong with you? Wow. He's taking the thing with you. Right. Come on. So would you could take a picture of him from Easter?
Oh. He's thinking about it.
Here, I left him there.
No, leave him there.
Leave him.
Leave him. I don't want to break his leg again.
He'll be alright.
Haven't won that
Here he comes.
He's clinging to it. He doesn't want to jump.
He doesn't want to jump.
Over here. Come here. Look.
Pull the table out.
Pull the table over him.
Mum.
Oh no. Jump. Stop that.
Now keep away from him. Get away from him.
No.
He's thinking about the fence.
Look at that on the fence.
The fence is not supported.
See the other bit of the fence behind Jared's is the place for him to go. Just the thicker fence.
I can pat the table there. Go.
Come on.
No.
Come on, you.
No.
Come on. I'm not going to move it on you. Leave him, will you? Put that table so that...
Hold the table, Michael. Hold it.
Leave him there. Don't frighten him.
Come on here.
Come on over and Patrick lift you down.
He might jump on top of Patrick. Oops.
Come on here. Down here.
Patrick, that table won't hold you.
If Patrick holds the table will hold him. If Michael holds the table will hold him.
That's going to break.
Watch him. Get him in the back of the neck.
Don't shake it. I'm not touching it.
Get him by the back of the neck, Patrick.
Come over a bit. Come over a wee bit. Come on. Show me. Over here a wee bit. I need you to come over here.
He's now panicking because he's the
Push him off.
Or he thinks it's playtime now.
Over here. Stop. Would you go away from him? What's wrong with you? Huh?
See if you can get your hands under him.
He's a bit far away from me. I don't want to follow him. Down, man. If he comes this here and get him.
Try and get him over a bit.
Come on, will you? Oh.
He's going to go up the roof in a minute.
Come on, come on,
That's you.
Is it?
Well done, Monsieur Patrick. Set him down now, Mike, in case he's panicking.
More? I had to grab him when he started walking over.
Set him down. He's probably panicking. Just set him down.
Put him down.